Alright guys, this is what has landed. So let's dig into it. Alright guys, you've seen that size of that box, but what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my...
And I'm back with another video. Alright guys, so you've seen the size of this box, so let's just dig right into it. First of all, I want to give a huge shout out to the plug. You know who you are. Truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. But yeah, we got a lot of shoes right now in here, so I'm just gonna start digging. Alright, we're gonna start off first with the Familia Dunks, or Familia, however you'd like to say it. Whoa, check out these bad boys. I'm gonna be doing a review on everything in this box, so make sure you stay tuned. Oh, just look at that material on that sneaker. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Alright, we got a lot more goodies in here, a lot more. Let me set these aside. We got some more NIKESBs. Now, I bet you guys never seen these, but the quality on these is, I know you're not supposed to say it, but it's quality is retarded on this pair, man. Really retarded. But anyway, let's check this out. The quality on this pair is quite sick. I forgot the name of these. I was told, oh, the KCDC 2001. Whew. I don't even think these have a release date yet, to be honest, but I got them. They are legit. Don't ever question if they're legit or not, because they are 100% legit. Okay. We got some Yeezys. I'm not sure what colorway this is called. I just actually put a raffle in for them on Kith Brooklyn. I actually won a raffle the other day, but I didn't look at my emails, and yeah, you know, that's that. Obviously, this is a Yeezy 350 V2, but the colorway, it's not on here. I don't think there ever was a colorway. On the box. I don't have the box. It didn't come with a box, but anyway, I'll figure out the colorway to these. But I know these are dropping pretty soon, so we got these to review. This is just an inside look at what's to come, because I believe most of these don't even have a release date. I think one of these actually, this pair right here, released Saturday, which the belugas, the reflectives. You know, I was never a fan of this model, the 350, but for some reason, these belugas, I don't know, the way they're sitting, the way they look, I don't know, I like them for some reason, but I don't want to look like a douche, you know, because, I don't know, I believe whoever wears these is a douche. Shh, my wife has a pair. Nah, I'm kidding. I don't know, I can never see myself wearing this, you know, this shoe. But anyway, that's that. So what's that, pair number 4? This is pair number 5 coming. Now this is another NIKESB. I believe these dropped already too. But I also got a UA pair coming in, and I would like to do a comparison review just to show you guys that, you know, what I'm dealing with is the real deal. You know, actually from factory, you know what I mean? And what I'm getting from overseas. Well, you get everything from overseas, but what I'm getting from, you know, the UA factories. But like I said, I'm not going to sit there and lie to you. The materials are pretty much the same. It's just who makes it. That's pretty much it. But also too, you got to find the right, you know, UA plug. You can't just pick any one, because let me tell you, some of them got some horrible craftsmanship, by the way. Anyway, as you can see, we got a Jordan 1. And this is the dark marina blue Air Jordan 1 that's supposedly pushed back until February, I believe, or they had a release date of January 12th, then it got pushed back, or something like that. Not quite sure, but I'll dig into that as I do the review on this shoe. So, but there that is. Check that out. Pretty dope. Really crazy unboxing right here. 6 pairs of sneakers. So we got some, you know, major upcoming videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I truly appreciate you guys for tuning in, checking it out. I know this video was pretty quick, but I had to get through this. You know, Christmas is around the corner. Gotta do some shopping. I gotta still edit this video. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for, you know, coming through and watching. Until next time, it's your man, the son of some man, and I'm out.